Welcome this video. The rise of backyard tiny guest house cabin are choosing heaven makes natural impression in the modern world where space is often at a premium and the hustle and bustle of urban life can be overwhelming. The concept of a backyard tiny guest house cabin have emerged as a choosing solved those dominated daily often a retreat from the chores of everyday life provide a choosing having nestle emerge tranquility for nature with her compact footprint and affect design. Those cabin often and invite space for guests right or anyone sleep despite for the demo of the outside world. Embracing the tiny living movement. The tiny house movement which advocate for simplicity, living in smart, more effect space have going movement in recent year, while some individual other or to downsize to tiny house as those premium resisting others see the apply of those compact delvan as guest accommodate to backyard retreat. Backyard tiny house cabin embodied the tiny living movement, often a harmonious blend of functionally centrability and aesthetic appeal. Those century and tribe built on a smart cell often range from 100 to 400 square feet in size. Deposit their modern than our thoughtful design to maximize space and provide all the comfort of house. Design the professional retreat, which it's come to design a backyard, tiny guest house cabin, create now a nobody from rustic cabin with explored typed frame to sleep modern century such maximizes interior. There is a wide range of dining other to sleep every taste and professional. One of the key principle guest the design of those cabin is affect every square inch of space is careful considering and other of survey is popular multifunctional furniture such as cupboard, soft bed, and follow down table help to maximize use space while clear stall sole that cuts is key to a maximize. Natural lights is another fact elements to cabin down design with large window and skylights help to create a bright and air atmosphere. This not only enhance to scene of suffocation but also allow guests to connect with the beauty of the surrounding landscape, create a natural, create a contact with nature. One of the most affect appear of stayed in a backyard tiny guest house cabin is the optimized is inborn in natural unlike traditional guest accommodate which are often located in